Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear boys and girls, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, on 16th of June 2020, I am going you to teach a lesson about a precious and valuable living creature which is known as plant. You have already known about this God-given gift creature, that these living creatures provides us a lot of profit. Plants gives us shade. Plants are the homes of different kinds of birds. Many or different kinds of animals depend upon plants or trees. We have fulfilled our needs to these living creatures. When we plant a tree, then we will plant everything. We will plant a boat according to the view of the poet, which boat is made of wood. This wood we get from different kinds of trees. When we plant a tree, in the view of poet, we can plant a house, because houses are also made by wood, which we receive from these plants or trees. So the poet Henry Abbey describes a plant, a precious and valuable God-given gift. Now I will read this poem. I hope that you give attention towards this poem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. What do we plant when we plant the tree? We plant the ship which will cross the sea. When we plant a tree, then we can plant easily a ship. By the ship, we cross the deepest sea or the deepest river. We plant the mast to carry the sail. We plant the planks to withstand the gales. The keel, the kelson, the beam, the knee. We plant the ship when we plant the tree. What do we plant when we plant the tree? यानी जब हम किसी पौधे को लगाते हैं तो ये कुदरती बात है कि हम एक जहाज़ को हासिल करते हैं, समुद्री जहाज़ को हासिल करते हैं. समुद्री जहाज़ में जिस किस्म की लकड़ी भी इस्तेमाल होती है वो हम इन पौधों से हासिल करते हैं. We plant the houses for you and me. The poet also describes us, explains us that when we plant trees, then we receive houses, because the houses are also made by this wood which we get from these plants. We plant the studying, the lathe, the doors, यानी हम मकान के दरवाज़े हासिल करते हैं, खिड़कियाँ हासिल करते हैं, या मकान की जो भी कोई ज़रूरी चीज़ होती है, जब हम पौधों को लगाते हैं तो हम इन पौधों की लकड़ी से मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के मकान बनाते हैं. We will build different kinds of or different designs of houses. शायर अपने आप को भी ज़ाहिर इस नज़्म में करता है और दूसरों को भी तलकीन करता है कि प्लांट से या दरख्तों से हमें कितने फ़ायदे हासिल होते हैं, कितने फ़वाइद हासिल होते हैं. दरअसल शायर का मकसद और मतलब यही है कि एक इंसान को चाहिए कि वो ज़्यादातर पौधे लगाने की कोशिश करे, न कि इनको काटने की कोशिश करे. The human beings should plant more and more in this world and avoid the cutting of these plants or trees. When a human being, when a man avoid to cutting these trees, then and try to plant more and more trees, then this whole world gets beauty, because by these trees the whole universe becomes beautiful. The plants also gives us shade also to the human beings and also other living creatures. The flying birds makes their nests on plants or trees. So if we cut these trees, then the whole living creatures will die, because these creatures also depends upon these trees or plants.